Welcome back to Carson Tate's video log. I'm here in Palm Springs for the 5th annual Bold Strokes Books Lesbian Literary Book Festival Extraordinaire. Say that 5 times fast.
No, thank you.
And this dapper individual with me is Yolanda Wallace.
I'm not looking at Kim.
Baldwin, who's dancing in the background. Kim dances very well, actually.
I did not know that.
You didn't?
No.
Okay.
It's
Well,
all news to me.
well, now it's news. So tell us, sorry, I'm like bumping into this. Okay, so your last book was Rumspringa,
It was, yes.
and it came out in
December.
December.
Yes.
Okay, so it's still fairly new. So you're still riding high on the pleasure of that?
I am, yes. I mean, every time I go out, everyone's saying how much they love it, so it's really nice to get good feedback from it, so I'm happy about the results.
It's a terrific book. So tell us, I think your next book is going to be about tennis.
That lovely sport called tennis, yes.
That was more of a baseball, right? What I just did.
You're not the sporty one. It's
No, I'm
the-
not.
No, it's called Lucky Losers, coming out in November, and it's about a British player trying to win Wimbledon for the first time in, let's see, 30 years. No British player has won in 30 years.
Is that true?
Yes.
Wow, I had
Yes.
no idea.
Since 1977.
So you did a lot of research for this book.
It's my favorite sport. I've been a tennis fan since I was 13, so
Wow.
it was very easy to ride it.
Have you been to Wimbledon?
I wish. That's my dream.
I went there, but not when it was a tennis match. So it was kind of weird because you're just walking around and there's nobody doing anything.
Players or something?
Exactly, but it's grass, which is bizarre.
Yep, that's the only one that's played on grass. It used to be all 4 playing on grass, but they stopped. And that's the only one that still played on grass.
Truly. So what's the difference between grass? See, I'm just going to ask you all tennis questions now. So what's the difference between grass and what are clay courts? Is that what
It's
they're?
grass, clay, and hard. It used to be a large difference, but now there isn't because they all play the same game.
Y'all thought we were going to talk about books. We were talking about tennis.
So sorry.
No, I find the research part of this very interesting. What special things did you do to research your next book, Lucky Losers?
Well, that one had to go back and make sure I had the players right for the ones who won before. Then go back to the history of the game and make sure I actually had the names right here, but I did because I followed the sport forever. But making sure you're true to the tenor of the book and of the sport, and make sure you actually got the English part right because it actually takes place all in England.
Okay. So how did you do that?
Wimbledon.org is wonderful good. So they have a good website, so I hit the website a lot. I hit the internet a lot, but it's mostly going back to my old tapes, which is really fun. It's like, okay, how did they play this point? Okay, good. Write that down.
Okay, that's very interesting. So now you can be like a sports commentator.
I wish.
Wouldn't that be cool?
I'm going to pack up, I'm going to go to England now. I'm just going to play tennis for a little bit.
So do you play?
No, I suck.
Oh, really?
That's why I'm a fan, because I can't play.
Well, you weren't really a Quaker, and you wrote a great Quaker book, so I guess
Amish.
that...
It's Amish.
I'm sorry. I really want it to be Quaker.
I noticed that, but it's not. It's Amish.
Thank you for correcting me. I'm sorry. For some reason, I lump all that together, and that's a horrible thing for me to say. But I did.
It works for you.
So, okay, I know you're pretty prolific. So what's next after Lucky Losers?
Well, I've got the next one I'm doing. It's actually kind of interesting. It started out as part of the original Lucky Loser, but Rad and my editor said, you need to split this off, take this character, and make it her own book.
Excellent.
So it's now a political thriller that I'm working on.
Truly.
I have to go back to the one I was working on before that my partner loves. It's about the chef I talked about.
Right,
Pizza.
right.
I haven't finished that one yet. I got to do that and I can't go.
So you got chef, politics, tennis on the horizon. All right. Who's your favorite tennis player?
Martina, of course.
Martina.
Of course, she retired, but now it's Rafael Nadal.
Okay. Good to know. All right. So thanks for talking to us again. We look forward to your books. All of them have been terrific.
Thank
We
you,
know
thank
the
you.
future ones will as well.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed. No need to cross your fingers. We know
I can't
you got
type
it
like
down.
that, can I?
If your writing is as good as your outfit, you're solid.
I have a reputation to protect my
All right. Well, Yolanda Wallace here in Palm Springs. If you're in the area, drop on by. We're at Casitas Laquitas, and we'd love to see you. Thanks. So this is Carson Tate's video log signing out.